So this is the 12-hole version of the Eastop Professional Performer. Again, it comes with this handy little box of spares, and you can read all about this. It tells you about the equal temperament tuning, ABS plastic comb, phosphor bronze reeds, quick response slides, available keys, and that just gives you something about the range. And let's have a look at it. So it comes in a leatherish. Is it real leather? Can't be sure. Sorry, I'm just doing this one-handed. Right, there we go. Look at that. A little beauty, isn't it? So if you like a 12-hole, it's a smaller than the big 16s. I personally would prefer a smaller one. Then this might be the very thing for you. Great engineering. Should be able to see into the reeds there. Get a bit more light on that. Good bit of kit, isn't it? Okay, let's have a play of it. So let's have a look, see how it sounds. Yeah, really nice response to it. Slide is good. A little bit of noise to it, but don't think you'd worry too much. The response is the main thing. Response is good on that slide. And don't forget, this is not warmed up, so it will have a bit of buzz on the valves there. So I think that's pretty nice. Yeah, I like it. It's good feel, not too heavy in the hand, and I think that would be a great little go-to instrument.